ladies.
Of Christmas, welcome to everyone to the 2025 Amicon Christmas tree lighting. 3, 2, 1! Now that's more like it. Wow, this plaza has certainly filled up. And if you look at all the towers, they're wondering what's happening. Can we make some more noise? Woo! If you've just joined us, my name is Fred Lee. I am a member of the media, but most importantly, I'm a big fan of Christmas. Welcome to everyone to the 2025 Amicon Christmas tree lighting. Very shortly, this place is going to get lit. It may have already, and it may have started at 4:20, but that's lights that will be lit throughout the holiday season. And officially, we're gonna do this at 6:45. We have a very special guest. His name is Santa. He's a very busy guy, but he's gonna join us to light up this tree along with some very special guests. You can see the cord on either side of the stage. Picking out some of those moves? All right. Did we have a favorite? Did we like the MEI marching band? Did we like Project Dance? Well, you know, I feel like being matchmaker, the merry matchmaker that I am. I'm going to bring them both together. Let's give it up one more time to Project Dance and your MEI marching band. They're going to be back shortly to keep this party going. Everyone tells me to. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On behalf of Amazon, our title sponsor, TD, we want to wish you and yours the happiest of holidays. Be kind, take care of one another, and please take as many photos as you want of our beautiful Vancouver Christmas tree. Happy holidays, everyone. I'm DJ. Let's hear some more music.
Merry Christmas, Frank. Again, another great time.
Ladies? Wow.
Wanna take a photo with her?
I don't even know how to guess.
I'll mention it's a big goal.
맞기는 나도 오늘 처음 본 거야. 근데
왜 도대체?